Hey, fellow friends, welcome to Joel's next cooking video. And guess what we're making this time, guys? We're making freaking barbecue pizza. And it's got this, we ain't using that special like Monterey Jack shit tonight. We're using the regular store-bought actual cheese that you're supposed to get at the store on this pizza. We also got this cool Memphis-inspired barbecue sauce that is definitely better than the other shit. I guarantee you guys that this stuff is really good, bro. And yeah, so we got the pepperoni, of course, make it all dazzled up. Pepperoni's pretty good. Depending on how much you put on there, it's pretty good. Alright, guys. Oven's preheating at 365. Let's wait a little bit for that oven to preheat up. Yeah. So we got barbecue sauce. Take a small ass tool like this, and you just dig it out of there over the freaking pizza like a professional. And you dazzle it on there like that, like I've been saying. And you just carefully go across the pizza like that, little by little. Make sure it got a little bit around the edges for extra flavor. And you go like that. And you're done. Cool, guys. Heck yeah. This video is gonna be popping. Okay, we got spreading this shit out like in circles, very big circles this time, guys. For the barbecue sauce to actually set in the sides, you gotta press down on it a little bit, like that. Yeah. All right, cool. This is gonna cook right on top of the pizza, dudes. It's gonna be super yummy. And then you take scissors, got good ones at home like these, and cut this open. Tearing the flap just takes forever. And unless you're trying to make something quick for YouTube. Okay. Scissors done, and then you're gonna want to just take, yes, my hands are cleanly washed, guaranteed. And we got this cheese, we got this cheese right here, I got this cheese, and you cut this one in half, you go that cheese, you go that cheese for the knife, and all you do is move them a little tiny bit on the pizza like that, and you leave them there, and boom, you got so much cheese on the freaking pizza when it's done. And guess what? You add like one little handful, this time of pepperoni only, and you just throw it on there like you're flipping it onto the camera practically. Heck yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a super freaking good pizza, guys. Alright, guys, this is what the overhead looks like of the pizza. Man, that looks good. Usually what I like to add to this shit is like the tiniest fraction of salt. Just spread over the pepperoni, and no pepper this time, guys, but definitely the tiniest fraction of salt on this pizza. Alright, cool. Then the oven should be preheated in about 5 minutes here like usual. Alright guys, this pizza's gonna be bomb. It's mainly because of the cheese and how big the cheese is. It's gonna melt all over the pizza with the pepperoni and the barbecue sauce. So it's gonna be super good tonight. Alright, man. Yeah. Put all that stuff away. Put the scissors over here to be washing clean tonight. And so what we got here is, I told you guys Joel was gonna come out with it anyway. This is BBQ Pizza video. Thumbs up to everybody that likes pizza. Cool. Alright, man. And this oven takes a long time to preheat, but it does it slow as heck. But when it's done preheating, you'll know, because that thing will beep. Dishwasher's going in the background for once. The light in here is really bright light. My hair is already starting to grow back a little bit. I had to take a while to get rid of this shit. It looked like a bowler. Like I went bowling. Okay, guys. Cool, more radical shit. Awesome ass. Not just music videos, but awesome ass videos that Joel been promising coming out lately on the YouTube, man. Alright, bro. Sounds like it's being preheated like a mofo. Definitely. Oh, man. Cool. And I just want to wave the pizza in front of you guys' face and lift it up in the camera view right now. The surprise present. Dude, for tonight. Dude, it looks super good. It's going to be all over the edges, too. Like, better than last time. Dude, looks super good. We had barely any to like. Dude, it was like you had butter and that was it, and you just glazed it on top of it. It was horrible. It's fucking bad. Tons of vegetables. It tasted shit. Like shit. Alright. But back to the cool professional cooking part of Joel's video. Yeah, we got the cooking, the pizza making. We'll do some like flavored malt milkshake shit later. That shit's really good too, especially if you're making something with it. Oh man, you make so many different types of food. It's ridiculous. Definitely gonna be going on Joel's YouTube though. Might figure out how to get the ingredients for that shit. El Pronto. Cool. Looks about preheated, guys. I think I should put it in there. It was kind of like, it was hard enough to where you could eat it, but it was also drooping down in the middle last time, so I was like, when I make pizza, it needs to be like a minute more on the pizza side tonight. Oh, perfect timing. This is what my glove looks like. It's very big. Very big. Ha 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 ha. Epic fail. Very big Alaska viewers. Huge ass blue mitten for taking shit out of the oven, man. Alright, cool skis. We got that shit in there making good ass pizza. We actually got real soda in the house for night, and I'm thinking Jesus, oh Christ, named Dad in there. Daddy-o. Just Dad in there for getting the soda for the night. Some baller shit. I get to make my barbecue pizza extra early, and then for you guys on YouTube, and then freaking do the jit of the rest of the YouTube videos for right now, including maybe even some more cooking videos in the near future for YouTube. I know you guys are sad that Joel's coming out with such low amounts of videos for his cooking channel. But right now, Joel's doing his best, guys, and he will be coming out with, I'm serious. I'm telling you, when those desserts hit, they're going to be like 3 videos, 6 videos at a time. Like I said, stay tuned on my channel. You never know when I might post extra cooking videos for my channel, bro. So, like, let's check it out. And guess what? We got the pizza in there cooking. Look at that melted cheese already. I'm gonna put it super goddamn close for the camera and for YouTube and 3D view or whatever the heck they got. Dude, look at that shit. Some definite Gucci motherfrickin', like, if you had salad with this shit, it'd be like the best shit out there. Like, straight up, this would make dinner like happen like every day for the next 3 weeks type of crap, especially around here. And yeah, I'm just talking to you while the freaking pizza's going in the oven, guys. I was wondering, how stoned am I during the process of this making video? I mean, on just the honest 1 to 10 ratio level right now. It's super funny. I mean, they were making the shaggy pizza with the worst haircut on that side in the world. This one, I actually look like a shaved regular person. This one is like, hey, hi. It's like, what the fuck? So I'm gonna grow out my hair, my beautiful man hair, back to normal. And yeah, the bowler cut is for a reason, guys. Like I said, I don't necessarily want like Goffer's fucking stone growing out of my hair. So getting rid of that might also help the hair growth a little bit. Just being honest, bro. Especially seeing how fucked up and wavy my hair has been lately. But I got it down to that shortness that's like not below average sea level that Dad got in there. And I got it down to like basic butch cut, which is pretty good because that means my hair will grow back out thicker and fuller than last time. The quality of the pizza, it's not just how much you check the oven, guys, but the longer you wait, like I'm doing right now and just talking here on YouTube, the more the cheese is going to melt, the more the pepperoni is going to sizzle in there and start sizzling and crisping up next time I open it. And it makes for a good YouTube video, guys. 13 minutes gone by in this cooking video. I feel good already making this barbecue pizza for you guys. I gotta hurry up though on the YouTube video. Probably make some cool shit with Badass tonight. And if Badass comes over, we're definitely eating the pizza. No matter what, we gotta make something like sick shit for YouTube. Don't know tonight. Definitely got some milk. Dad just bought a whole gallon of milk. And yeah, so tonight's probably gonna be a good night. Sizzling away, making my day good. Alright, we got that little tuft of hair, Joel's head that he's keeping so he doesn't look like aged 55 years when he grows his hair out again for that little tuft of shit. Alright, cool, man. I like the light in this light in the house is pretty trippy. least you can see your freaking face and your eyes ain't bleeding from the slide. Couple more minutes on here on the pizza. I'll show you guys again. And that'll probably be the remainder of this YouTube video. And I hope you guys had a blessed night, because I know I did. Especially making the pizza. Here for you guys on YouTube. Like I said, I'm also planning upon 2020 bullshit where I was saying, oh man, Joel should come out with some like special spice salad. I know that was a little bit crazy for you guys, but like I was thinking like, wait, what if I actually got like some big ass croutons and like put them in there and like got this special like one's ever heard of it before, like salad seasoning and shit, and put it on top of little tiny bits on top of the salad for YouTube. I think that'd just be a new kind of salad that you could make. And then honestly, like if you wanted to make that with the whole dish and put that as a YouTube video, I was thinking of that too. I was like specifically stating, okay, why don't Joel just make some more like badass YouTube fucking cooking show channel videos that people can watch nowadays? And I was like, okay, cool. That's how I came up with the idea for the laser light TV thing. I remember the whole situation. So I was like, yeah, dude, why don't I just like dramatically make a cool ass, like badass motherfucking YouTube video, guys, so you can sit back, relax, and watch this shit on YouTube. Okay, I know that was funny. Definitely something worth watching. Okay. About 17 minutes in the video. I'm trying to make about 18-minute long video here, guys, so I'm closed captioning it. The cheese is melting, and it will be coming out super good if I can pull it out of the oven in less than a 15-minute timing. For some reason, when I cook it on 370, it heats it up, but like it makes the whole house cold, and it's like weird as heck. But yo, guys, check out more chill, cool YouTube videos coming away again on your Joel's channel. And we got more guaranteed cooking videos I'm coming out with soon, definitely for the crowd and the audience. Alright, stay tuned for more.